Chris, why does your wife calling you again and again? You know, I don't like it.
I know, honey. She just wants me to go home. She feels alone there.
So, are you going there? You can go if you want to. I won't stop you.
Oh, no, my darling, you don't worry. I don't want to go. I want to stay with you. Being with you makes me happy.
Well, she is your wife. You have a responsibility for her. Don't you think you should go there?
Julia, to be honest, I don't like my wife anymore. She doesn't make me happy. You know she is so fatty woman. I don't like her. I like girls like you. And when I'm with you, I feel like I'm in paradise. It's different with you.
But the situation will be complicated when she know about us. What you gonna do if she finds out about us?
I don't think she will find out. I'm really careful about our relationship. And she trusts me a lot.
But Chris, truth never can be hid. You know, living a doubt, life can't be easy. Are you sure you can keep this behind?
As long as I have you, I can handle anything. You make me feel alive. I don't want to lose that feeling.
Is that how you feel? Then I am here for you. Just be careful. I care about you too, Chris.
Yeah, alright, just stop talking about my wife now and enjoy our happy moment.